Before I start to explain why on earth I actually decided to do this, I want to make a statement. If this video gets 100 comments, all 100 of them will get this STL file for free. Now to clarify my idea. I noticed that my scrap pile was getting bigger and bigger, and it was mostly from offcuts from the cutting boards and stuff like that. So this was really fine wood, you know, it wasn't anything wrong with it. It only was thin, and so I decided to make a project and to use this. So I needed to actually sort it, to plane it, then as you can see to cut it the thickness and then plane it. And by now I find out that, well, I actually have less than I need. So I needed to get some more wood, and what I decided to add is beech wood. And as you can see here, this is from a pole that was used in the garden. This is probably 100-year-old black locust. So all the woods together was black locust, beech wood, cherry, walnut, oak, maple, beech, and I think that actually covers it. After all the sorting, planing, then cutting and planing again, that is thicknessing, I got around 27 centimeters of width, so this is more than enough. I needed around 23 for the design, so, and the thickness was just above, so 2 millimeters more, and I left that on purpose. And one thing that I did, and I do this thing more often than I would like to, and it's that I didn't plane all them to the same size. It's because I wanted to get the wider board, and well, that's a mistake, because then in a glue up you have problems. I do this from time to time, probably to remind myself that rules are here to be actually remembered and followed. The most tricky part was actually to have all those boards settled so that they actually look good, you know, and they do not repeat. So I had a lot of wood, you know, so I could actually do a lot of combinations, but eventually this one won. And here, this is the reason why you shouldn't actually plane the boards in different thicknesses, because then you have to do them individually in order to cover them fully with glue. After it was cured, of course, to the planer, and that is to the jointer, and then to the planer, and after that it was all machining. So I will leave you to enjoy that.